Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be telling you that how to configure the Kite autocomplete plugin for Python inside your Atom text editor integrated development environment. So first of all, I have written a step-by-step blog on my website, so you can find the blog in the video description. I have given all the source code and what type of instruction that you need to follow. So this is my blog here. So if you view the post here, you will follow step-by-step instruction. I will link that blog in the video description. And now I will be telling you how to do this. So first of all, you need to download the Atom text editor. So just type on Google Atom download. This is the official website. Go to atom.io and download the text editor. I have already done that. The installation process is pretty simple. After you install it, you will be granted with this interface. Now you need to download the Kite autocomplete plugin which is there for Python. So this is mandatory that you first of all install Atom first and then Kite. So just download this Kite here, Kite download. So go to this website and go to /download. So it will start your download. Click this option. At the bottom it will start this download, so you can see that I have already downloaded it. So once you start this interface will automatically detect the editors which are installed on your system. So I have already did that for VS Code in my last tutorial, so it has detected that I've installed Atom. So whatever text editor it will detect inside this plugin section. So this is home here. So if you want to go to the plugin section, you can even press this. Let me just show you. Click the settings option and then go to the plugins here. So it will detect all your editors. So you can even go do this for Golang, IntelliJ IDEA. So these IDs are not installed here. So you can see that the message is there. Kite could not automatically detect it. So first of all, install this. So now we have successfully installed it. So what we need to do is that we need to install some packages. So go to this file here, and then you need to go to the settings option, and then you need to install some packages. So go to the install option. So the first package that you need to install for Kite is Kite, obviously. So just search for Kite here. So it will give you this package, the number one package here. You need to install it. I have already installed it. So you can see that this is a Kite package for Atom. You need to click the install option. After installing it, you need to restart the Atom text editor. So close it and then restart it. After this, we also need two more packages which is specific for Atom, which supports the Python. So this is a package which is IDE-Python. So if you search it like this, IDE-Python, you will be redirected to this package. So this is just a Python language support for Atom IDE. So install this. And also one other package that I will use is if you type here Python once again, let me search for in my packages. So if you search Python here, this is a package Atom Python run. So basically it runs the Python file for you if you press F5 key. So this is a simple way in order to run the Python files in Atom text editor. So this is the name of the package, Atom Python run. So after you install all these packages, let me just close this. You just need to make a new file. Let's suppose I go to new file here, and inside this I will save my file as atom.py, and then I will write some Python code here. You will see that. Now it will give me these suggestions here. You will see that this is autocomplete, that you can see that this is item autocomplete which is there for. So if I want to run this, I can press the F5 key on the keyboard. If I press this key, you will see it will run my Python program. Hello world is printed out. If you want to make some complex program in Kite, so let's suppose from You can see all the suggestions are there. So this is all coming because of Kite. You can see the symbol as well. So this signifies that you have successfully installed the Kite plugin and linked to Atom IDE. So you need to just open this Kite instance when you are just coding here. So this is very much important. So I will import the Twikinter module and import everything from it. So Twikinter, as you know, that this is a graphical user library. So we have this TK. We need to initialize this, and then we need to have the geometry. So 500, 500, and then we need to give it a title. It will be a string. So then we will call the main loop. So you can see that we are getting the suggestions from Kite. If I want to run this, once again I press the F5 key. So it will run the application for me. So it is running it. So you will see a window coming here of Twikinter. You will see that. So in this way, we have successfully linked up our Kite plugin with our Python or with our Atom text editor. So this was a simple process that how to link your Kite autocomplete Python plugin with your Atom text editor. So thanks so much for watching this video.